10 psyllium husk benefits. Start having it now. We often think of nutritious food in terms of what we can get from them. While that is true for the most part, we end up ignoring one indigestible part of food that is as essential as each protein that you take in: fiber. Fiber is the hidden champion that helps make sure everything is all right in your digestive system. One food item that can help you gain fiber, along with several other beneficial nutrients, is psyllium husk, sometimes also known as Welcome to Superfoods and this video on 10 psyllium husk benefits. Start having it now. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. Consult your doctor or nutritionist on the quantities best suited to you. Relieves constipation. One of the most common uses for psyllium husk is relief from constipation. Psyllium husk is essentially soluble fiber and provides the body with an extra kick of indigestible nutrient. More fiber means giving your digestive system something extra to keep it moving forward and providing you with a relief from constipation too. This is psyllium husk's primary use in South Asian traditional medicine, with Ispabgol being a fixture in several households. Psyllium husk's use in promoting regularity makes it one of the best choices to combat constipation. It can help regulate blood glucose. Fiber does more than just help the body with digestion. Another benefit of fiber is its effect on the body's glycemic response. Having more fiber in your diet makes your glycemic response stronger, amplifying the release of insulin and quickly converting glucose from the food into glycogen. While having fibers after a meal to alleviate the glycemic process is a common thing to do, nothing does it better than psyllium husk. Various studies conducted on people with type 2 diabetes found that there was a reduction in glucose levels after taking psyllium husk, even more than bran. So, if you have diabetes, taking some psyllium husk after a meal could be very beneficial for you. Do consult your doctor on the quantities best suited. Might help treat diarrhea. Psyllium husk's influence on bowel movements is believed to even help with something as serious as diarrhea. What makes psyllium husk of fiber so impressive in such cases is the amount of water it absorbs. The psyllium husk will go down to your intestines and create an environment where more water is absorbed, leading to the stool becoming more solid and normal. Several scientific studies support psyllium husk's beneficial effect in treating diarrhea. Given its help in both constipation and treating diarrhea, psyllium husk might be the best solution for bowel issues. Can lower cholesterol levels. Psyllium husk is the ultimate solution when it comes to giving your digestion a boost. More than just making sure your bowels work better, psyllium husk also helps in the removal of fat from the bloodstream. Psyllium husk combines fat and bile acids, which the body promptly excretes after creation. Through this, psyllium husk can remove excess fats from the bloodstream. More than that, the removal of bile acids makes the liver produce more of them, which requires the use of cholesterol. This essentially gets rid of cholesterol from your bloodstream and makes your blood vessels healthier. Promotes heart health. Another common benefit of fiber is believed to be its help in keeping the heart healthy and well. Fiber's boost on digestion and absorption extends towards various avenues. Among its actions is the reduction of triglycerides in the blood. Coupled with a decrease in cholesterol, the body's blood vessels start to become healthier with time. This decreases the stress placed on the heart for blood circulation, decreasing blood pressure. Psyllium husk can thus help in several ways. It can decrease blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Helps you lose weight. You must have noticed that leafy vegetables make you feel fuller than you would normally. That's not a superstition, because fiber is what makes you feel full for long periods. Fiber has a marked effect on satiety and keeps you away from excessive eating. This can reduce your dependency on snacking. This is why foods rich in fiber are highly recommended if you want to go on a diet. While you can't eat psyllium husk, taking it after a meal will help you feel satiated for extensive periods, essentially removing the need to snack. Increase bacterial activity in intestines. While this may sound counterproductive, it's quite helpful. There are several bacteria in the human digestive system that help break down food and promote the digestion of various nutrients. While psyllium husk won't bring any new bacteria on its own, it can promote the activity of the ones already inside your digestive system. By amplifying their activity, you can ensure that digestion goes smoothly and improves for you. Helps treat piles and fissures. Several painful conditions can arise in the digestive system, most notable of which include piles and anal fissures. By making your entire bowel environment healthier, psyllium husk can help you against the pain caused by piles and anal fissures. It's considered to be a helpful remedy against both, and earns that reputation by making stool easier to pass through effective water reabsorption, taking some load off of intestinal muscles. Can help treat acidity. Another gastric benefit that you can get from psyllium husk is treating stomach acidity. Whether you get acidity regularly or now and then, some psyllium husk should be enough to help treat it. The water-retentive soluble fiber lines across the stomach and offers the stomach tissue protection against the excessive acidity inside it. Effective against irritable bowel syndrome. This particular benefit of psyllium husk should seem obvious by now, but it deserves to be mentioned as a concluding note. Due to its unmatched aid to the digestive system of humans, psyllium husk is one of the most effective things to have if you want relief from irritable bowel syndrome. However, make sure you regulate your usage of psyllium husk, since excessive usage is believed to come with side effects. This was all on psyllium husk and its various benefits to the human body. Do you use psyllium husk for constipation relief? We remind you to consult a nutritionist or doctor when using anything new in your diet. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video on 10 psyllium husk benefits. Start having it now. And also invite you to subscribe to our channel and share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure you browse our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. Thanks for watching.